Engine running. No one speaks. Every move planned out. No mistakes. The plans laid out in the backseat.
Tired of installing 10 different robbery scripts? Endless configuration files, restarts, and editing code every time you want to change something? No more! You don't need any programming knowledge. Welcome to Node System.
One step is too much. Hear that click. That's the sign. All aligned. Perfect.
Everything is visual.
Time.
Everything is created directly in-game. Today we are going to show you exactly how it works. Let's start with the creator.
Inside the creator, the first thing you'll find is the statistics dashboard. Here you can quickly see the global performance of every robbery on your server. At the top, you'll find summarized statistics, followed by a graph displaying successful and failed robberies, along with the overall success rate. This makes it easy to understand if your robberies are balanced, or if you've accidentally created something impossible to complete. At the bottom, you'll find the recent activity feed. See which robbery was played, who started it, the exact date and time, whether it succeeded or failed, and how much money was earned. Everything in one place. Next, we have the robberies section. Here, you'll find every robbery available on your server. Each robbery is organized by category and includes useful information at a glance. Need to disable a robbery? No problem. You can enable or disable any robbery in real time. Without restarting the script, you can also edit existing robberies, delete them, or quickly find them using the integrated search bar.
No one speaks.
Finally, we have administration. This section gives you complete control over what's happening on your server right now. You can see every active robbery currently running in real time. If something goes wrong, simply force end the robbery instantly. No more headaches. Below that, you'll find the active cooldown manager. View every robbery cooldown currently running.
Get it done, no time wasted. Stay sharp. Don't rush.
And remove them individually or clear them globally for all players. Complete control directly from the creator. To create a new robbery, simply head into the robberies section and press create. From here, your imagination is the only limit. The editor is divided into 4 main sections, designed to make robbery creation as simple as possible. At the top, you'll find the robbery information panel. This is where you'll set the robbery name, choose its category, and access quick action. We'll explore later. On the left side, you'll find the node library. Every node available in the system is organized into categories, making them easy to find. You can also use the search bar to instantly locate any node you need. Adding nodes couldn't be simpler. Just click a node, and it will be placed directly onto the canvas, ready to be connected with the rest of your robbery. In the center, you'll find the canvas itself. This is where your robbery takes shape, as you connect nodes together and build the complete gameplay flow. On the right side, you'll find the Properties panel. Whenever you select a node, all of its available settings will appear here. Depending on the node, you can configure positions, durations, rewards, NPCs, vehicles, effects, conditions, and much more. And finally, at the bottom of the editor, you'll find the validation panel. Here you'll see all warnings and errors detected in your robbery: missing nodes, incomplete paths, missing categories, invalid configurations, and more. This allows you to quickly identify problems before saving and publishing your robbery. Everything is designed to give you complete control. Now, let's talk about content. Creating the logic is important, but a robbery is only as good as the assets behind it. That's why the creator includes a complete collection of built-in libraries. Everything can be searched, previewed, and added directly into your robbery. Let's take a look. Need characters for your robbery? The PED Models library contains hundreds of GTA NPC models ready to use. Guards, civilians, workers, gang members, police officers, and much more. Search, select, and spawn them instantly. Every robbery needs props, safes, doors, crates, laptops, security equipment, loot, decorations, and thousands of other GTA objects. The Prop Models library makes finding and spawning them incredibly easy. Need a getaway vehicle, an armored truck, a police car? The Vehicle Models library gives you access to GTA's vehicle catalog. Simply search for the model you want and add it directly to your robbery. Need weapons for guards, enemies, or rewards? The weapons library contains every available GTA weapon. Quickly browse the collection and select exactly what your robbery requires. Need explosions, sparks, smoke, fire, or visual effects? The Particle Library gives you access to hundreds of GTA particle effects. Preview them before using them and place them exactly where you need. Perfect for creating more immersive and cinematic robberies. Need an animation? Simply open the Animations library. Here you'll find hundreds of GTA animations already indexed and ready to use. Search, preview, and instantly add them to your robbery. From simple interactions to complex scenes, everything is only a few clicks away. Need something even more cinematic? The Scenes library gives you access to GTA's native cutscenes directly from the editor. Browse through the available scenes and preview them instantly. You'll also have a media control bar that allows you to pause or jump to another scene without leaving the preview. Finding the perfect scene? Need to guide players through objectives? The Markers and Blips library includes a large collection of icons and markers, perfect for objectives, interaction points, destinations, and important locations. Want players to feel the impact of an event? The Screen Effects library contains thermal vision, night vision, flashbang effects, drug effects, drunk effects, and many more visual filters, a simple way to dramatically change the player's experience. Use the Synced Scene library to access coordinated animations designed for multiple entities, perfect for drilling vaults, opening safes, grabbing loot, cutting doors, and much more. Simply choose a scene and let the system handle the synchronization. And finally, the Audio and Music library. Browse GTA sounds, alarms, ambient effects, notifications, and music events. Whether it's a vault alarm, an explosion, or intense heist music, everything is available directly from the editor. Because great robberies don't just look good, they sound good too. Now that we have all the assets we need, it's time to start building. Let's start with the foundations of every robbery. Let's start with triggers. Triggers are responsible for starting actions and events inside your robbery. This category includes interactions, zone detection, item usage, vehicle detection, shooting events, death events, commands, and more. Simply choose how you want players to interact with your robbery and connect it to the next step. Next, we have conditions. Conditions allow you to create requirements before a player can continue through the robbery. For example, police count can require a minimum number of officers online before the robbery is allowed to start. Once that requirement is met, you can immediately continue to the next node, such as activating a cooldown for the robbery. Has item, has money, job check, and many other conditions work the same way. Simply define the requirement and decide what happens when the player meets it. An advanced system. Next, we have flow control. This category contains the tools used to build the logic and progression of your robbery. Here we can start creating more advanced flows. For example, we can place a cooldown node to prevent players from repeating the robbery too often, connect it to the robbery start, and then decide if players should continue solo or create a group before proceeding. Combined with conditions, you can also prevent the robbery from executing if certain requirements are not met. Beyond that, flow control includes many advanced tools such as timers, variables, loops, parallel executions, multiple loot zones, party systems, and much more. Everything is designed to give you complete control over how your robbery behaves from start to finish. Next, we have UI and feedback. This category contains everything related to the player experience and presentation of the robbery. Display notifications, objectives, subtitles, map blips, world markers, progress bars, mini games, and much more. You can also create cinematic moments using synced scenes, direct scenes, GTA cutscenes, camera movements, screen effects, fades, and custom camera animations. Need to alert the police? Send Discord webhooks, guide players through objectives? Everything can be handled from this category, an advanced collection of tools designed to make your robberies feel polished, immersive, and alive. Next, we have PEDs and NPCs. This category allows you to create and control every character involved in your robbery. Spawn guards, civilians, workers, police officers, gang members, or any GTA PED model. Configure their appearance, weapons, animations, behavior, patrol routes, combat settings, and much more. Whether you need a simple cashier behind a counter or an entire security team protecting a vault, everything can be configured directly from the editor. An advanced system designed to bring your robberies to life. Next, we have vehicles. This category allows you to add advanced vehicle interactions to your robberies. Spawn vehicles anywhere in the world and customize their properties to fit your scenario. Control doors, engines, locks, create explosions, or allow NPCs to interact with them. Whether it's a getaway vehicle, an armored transport, or part of an objective, these nodes give you the tools to make vehicles an active part of your robbery experience. Next, we have World. This category contains nodes that allow you to control the environment and atmosphere of your robbery, create particle effects, explosions, dynamic lights, weather changes, and even modify the in-game time to match your scenario. Fire nodes allow you to start and extinguish fires dynamically, creating additional challenges or cinematic moments. For audio, you can play both normal and 3D sounds, allowing players to hear effects from specific locations in the world. The alarm system can be used to trigger building alarms, security systems, or emergency events throughout the robbery. Before we finish, let's take a quick look at two more systems. The laser system allows you to create security zones, restricted areas, vault protection, and advanced objectives. Configure their position, size, behavior, and consequences when players are detected. A great way to add challenge and variety to your robberies. We also have the party system. Invite nearby players and allow them to participate in the robbery together. The entire progression is synchronized, making it easy to create cooperative experiences for multiple players. And that's it. You now have everything you need to start creating your own robberies. But this is only the beginning. With enough creativity, you'll be able to build experiences far beyond the examples shown in this video. At the end of every robbery, you can add reward nodes, sell items, distribute money, unlock new objectives, and much more. Want to save some time? The creator already includes 6 fully functional robbery templates. Each one comes with its own mechanics, flow, and gameplay systems already configured. With a single click, you can load them instantly and start modifying them however you want. Move nodes, add new mechanics, change objectives, create new paths, or completely transform the experience.
And that's Quasar Robberies Creator! As you've seen throughout this showcase, every part of a robbery can be created visually without writing a single line of code. From simple store robberies to massive multi-stage heists, the only limit is your imagination. Thank you for watching! We hope you've enjoyed this showcase and found inspiration for your next creation. And remember, this is only the beginning. See you on the next update!